NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has achieved a major milestone in astrobiology with the return of samples from the asteroid Bennu revealing the presence of 3 new organic molecules and a host of essential compounds that give insight into the origins of life. This groundbreaking research, published in the journals Nature and Nature Astronomy on January 29, 2025, suggests that the building blocks of life may have been widespread in the early solar system. Key discoveries: 1. Organic molecules. The Bennu samples contain 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life on Earth and all 5 nucleobases that are vital components of DNA and RNA. This finding supports the hypothesis that asteroids may have delivered life's building blocks to Earth, enhancing the chances for life to exist elsewhere in the solar system. 2. High ammonia levels. Researchers discovered ammonia concentrations in the samples that were approximately 100 times greater than those typically found in terrestrial soils. Ammonia plays a crucial role in biological processes, including the formation of amino acids. 3. Mineral composition. The analysis revealed traces of 11 minerals which indicate an ancient environment that might have been conducive to life. Notably, the mineral trona, previously unseen in extraterrestrial samples, was identified, suggesting unique conditions on Bennu's parent body. Timeline of events: 2016, the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft was launched to study the asteroid Bennu. 2023, the spacecraft successfully collected samples from Bennu and returned them to Earth. January 29. 2025, NASA published comprehensive findings on the organic materials present in the Bennu samples. Common key points across sources. All sources emphasize the significance of the organic molecules found in the Bennu samples and their implications for understanding the origins of life. They highlight the pristine nature of the samples, which were collected directly from space, minimizing contamination risks that accompany meteorites that have passed through Earth's atmosphere. The discoveries align with the idea that the early solar system had the necessary conditions for life, bolstering theories about life's potential on other celestial bodies. Differences between sources. Some sources highlight the collaborative nature of the research and the meticulous methods used in the analysis, while others focus on the personal experiences of the scientists involved, particularly astrochemist Jose Aponte. Certain reports emphasize the implications of the findings for astrobiology, while others call for further research to understand the specific conditions that allowed life to emerge on Earth but not on Bennu. Implications for astrobiology. The OSIRIS-REx mission has profound implications for astrobiology. The detection of organic molecules supports the theory that asteroids could have played a significant role in seeding the early Earth with the necessary ingredients for life. The findings challenge scientists to explore the question of why life emerged on Earth and not on other bodies like Bennu, despite the apparent similarities in their chemical compositions. Astrobiologists are now tasked with investigating what specific conditions were present on Earth that facilitated the emergence of life. The data gathered from Bennu will serve as a crucial reference point in ongoing research into the origins of life, both on Earth and potentially on other planets and moons in our solar system. The role of sample return missions. The success of the OSIRIS-REx mission highlights the importance of sample return missions in planetary science. The pristine samples collected from Bennu allow scientists to analyze the organic compounds and minerals in their original state, free from the contamination that can occur with meteorites. This meticulous approach enhances the confidence in the results and provides a clearer understanding of the early solar system's chemistry. Future research directions. As researchers continue to analyze the Bennu samples, they are eager to explore more about the history of organic molecules in our solar system. The discoveries from Bennu will inform future missions aimed at understanding other celestial bodies such as Mars, the moons of Jupiter, and the dwarf planet Ceres, where similar organic compounds may exist. The scientific community is excited about the potential for future missions to uncover more about the building blocks of life and the conditions necessary for life to thrive. The discoveries from Bennu are just the beginning of a new era of astrobiological exploration, raising questions about the potential for life beyond Earth and the processes that govern its emergence. Conclusion. In summary, NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has provided invaluable insights into the origins of life through its analysis of samples from the asteroid Bennu. The identification of new organic molecules and essential compounds suggests that the ingredients for life were widely available in the early solar system. As research continues, scientists hope to unravel the mystery of why life emerged on Earth but not on other similar bodies, further advancing our understanding of life and the universe. The discoveries from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission have revealed several counterintuitive insights regarding the origins of life, particularly in relation to the findings from the asteroid Bennu. Below are some of the key counterintuitive aspects highlighted in the content. 1. Widespread organic molecules versus life. While the Bennu samples contain numerous organic molecules, including 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life on Earth, the findings do not indicate that life ever existed on Bennu itself. This contrasts with the expectation that finding such organic compounds might directly suggest the presence or possibility of life. Instead, it implies that while the ingredients for life are prevalent in the solar system, conditions conducive to the emergence of life may not be as widespread. 2. High levels of ammonia. The discovery of ammonia concentrations in Bennu's samples being approximately 100 times higher than those found in terrestrial soils is surprising. Ammonia is a critical component for biological processes, particularly in forming amino acids. This raises questions about the environmental conditions on Bennu's parent body and suggests that the processes leading to the synthesis of life's building blocks could occur in environments previously considered unsuitable. 3. Pristine samples versus meteorites. The idea that the pristine nature of the samples collected from Bennu provides more reliable data than meteorites that have entered Earth's atmosphere is counterintuitive. Many might assume that meteorites as remnants of asteroids would provide similar insights, but they are often contaminated by terrestrial processes. The OSIRIS-REx samples being collected in a controlled environment allow for a clearer understanding of organic compounds that have not been altered by Earth's atmosphere or biological contamination. For mirror image amino acids, the presence of both left and right-handed amino acids in the Bennu samples challenges the prevailing notion that life on Earth predominantly utilizes left-handed amino acids. This suggests that the early Earth might have had a mixture of both forms, and the reason for the predominance of one type over the other in terrestrial life remains an unresolved mystery. This counterintuitive result raises questions about the processes that led to the selection of specific amino acid chirality in the development of life. 5. Mineral composition. The identification of minerals such as trona, which had never been observed in extraterrestrial samples before, indicates that Bennu's parent body had a unique environmental history that facilitated the formation of these minerals. This contradicts the assumption that asteroids are uniform in composition and reinforces the idea that each celestial body may possess distinct characteristics that contribute to our understanding of planetary formation and the potential for life. 6. Potential for life versus actual life. The findings from Bennu suggest that while the building blocks for life were present, the actual emergence of life is contingent upon a complex interplay of environmental factors. This highlights a counterintuitive reality: the presence of necessary ingredients does not guarantee the emergence of life. The question remains why, despite having similar components, life has only been observed on Earth to date. 7. Asteroids as life's ingredients delivery system. A hypothesis that asteroids like Bennu may have delivered the essential ingredients for life to Earth suggests a broader implication for the distribution of life in the universe. It challenges the notion that life is an exclusive occurrence on Earth and posits that other celestial bodies might similarly host the building blocks necessary for life, thus expanding the search for extraterrestrial life beyond our planet. These counterintuitive findings challenge existing assumptions about the origins of life and emphasize the complexity of the processes involved in the emergence of life in the universe. They invite further exploration and investigation into the environmental conditions necessary for life and the role of celestial bodies in delivering essential organic materials. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has unveiled significant findings regarding the origins of life through its analysis of samples from asteroid Bennu. While many discussions around this research highlight the discovery of organic molecules and their implications, there are several nuanced aspects of the findings that are often overlooked yet hold profound significance for our understanding of life's potential origins. 1. The pristine nature of samples. One of the most critical yet understated aspects of the OSIRIS-REx mission is the pristine condition of the Bennu samples. Unlike meteorites that have traversed Earth's atmosphere and are subject to contamination, the samples collected by OSIRIS-REx were obtained directly from space, safeguarded from terrestrial contamination. This pristine nature allows researchers to have a higher confidence in the authenticity of their findings. Significance: the ability to analyze uncontaminated samples provides a clearer window into the early solar system and the potential building blocks of life. This is significant because it supports the hypothesis that similar organics could be found in other celestial bodies, which may harbor the ingredients necessary for life. 2. High concentrations of ammonia. The researchers found ammonia levels in the Bennu samples that were approximately 100 times higher than those found in terrestrial soils. Ammonia plays a pivotal role in biological processes, including the synthesis of amino acids. Significance: the abundance of ammonia suggests that not only were the chemical conditions necessary for life present on Bennu, but they may have also been prevalent throughout the early solar system. This challenges previous assumptions about the rarity of such conditions and opens new avenues for exploring the potential for life on other planets and moons. 3. Diverse mineral composition. The samples revealed traces of 11 minerals that indicate a complex chemical environment where life could potentially arise. Notably, the presence of minerals like trona, which had never been observed in extraterrestrial samples before, is particularly noteworthy. Significance: the unique mineral composition suggests that Bennu may have undergone extensive aqueous alteration, providing a setting where organic compounds could interact and form complex molecules. This raises questions about similar processes on other bodies in the solar system, such as Mars and the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, where similar conditions may exist. 4. Equal mixture of amino acids. An intriguing finding was the presence of both left-handed and right-handed amino acids in the Bennu samples. On Earth, life predominantly utilizes left-handed amino acids to form proteins. Significance: this observation raises important questions about the origins of biological asymmetry. If early Earth had a similar mixture, it suggests that the preference for left-handed amino acids may have developed later in Earth's history, adding complexity to our understanding of life's emergence. 5. Implications for astrobiology. The implications of these findings for astrobiology are profound. The results bolster the theory that asteroids like Bennu could have been significant contributors of life's building blocks to Earth, enhancing the possibility of life elsewhere in the solar system. Significance: understanding the distribution and formation of organic molecules in the early solar system can help direct future missions searching for life beyond Earth. The findings provide a framework for evaluating the habitability of other celestial bodies by comparing their chemical inventories to those observed in Bennu. 6. The role of water and salinity. The studies highlighted evidence of an ancient environment rich in brine, suggesting that liquid water played a role in shaping the chemistry of Bennu. Significance: this supports the idea that water, a critical ingredient for life, may have been more widespread than previously thought, thereby increasing the likelihood of finding life in other wet environments within the solar system. 7. The challenge of understanding life's origins. Despite the discovery, scientists cautioned that the findings do not directly indicate the presence of life on Bennu itself. Instead, they underscore the complexity of understanding why life emerged on Earth but not on similar bodies like Bennu. Significance: this challenge emphasizes the need for further research into the specific conditions that foster life. It highlights that while the ingredients for life may be widespread, the precise environmental factors and processes that lead to the emergence of living organisms are still a mystery. Conclusion: the OSIRIS-REx mission's findings extend beyond the discovery of organic molecules. They provoke critical reflections on the conditions necessary for life and the potential for its existence elsewhere in the cosmos. The overlooked details, such as the pristine nature of the samples, the significance of ammonia levels, and the implications of amino acid asymmetry, are fundamental in shaping our understanding of life's origins, driving future explorations and refining the search for extraterrestrial life. As research continues to unfold, these insights will undoubtedly lead to new questions and avenues for discovery in the field of astrobiology. 1. Discovery of organic molecules. The revelation that the Bennu samples contain 14 of the 20 amino acids essential for life on Earth alongside all 5 nucleobases necessary for DNA and RNA is a pivotal finding. This supports the hypothesis that the building blocks of life were not only present on early Earth but were also widely distributed throughout the early solar system. This suggests a potential avenue for the origins of life where asteroids like Bennu may have delivered these essential organic compounds to Earth, increasing the likelihood of life emerging on other celestial bodies. 2. High ammonia concentrations. The OSIRIS-REx mission identified ammonia levels in the Bennu samples that are approximately 100 times higher than typical terrestrial soil levels. Ammonia is crucial in biological processes, particularly in the synthesis of amino acids. This finding not only emphasizes the chemical richness of Bennu but also raises important questions about the environmental conditions that led to such concentrations of ammonia, potentially offering insights into the chemical pathways that could lead to the emergence of life. 3. Pristine sample integrity. One of the most significant aspects of the OSIRIS-REx mission is the pristine nature of the samples collected. Unlike meteorites that have been exposed to Earth's atmosphere and potentially contaminated, the samples from Bennu provide a more reliable view into the early solar system's chemistry. This integrity allows researchers to have greater confidence in the findings, bolstering the argument that the organic materials detected are indeed extraterrestrial and not the result of contamination. This aspect of the mission enhances our understanding of the early solar system's conditions and the processes that led to the formation of life. For implications for astrobiology and the origins of life, the findings from Bennu extend beyond mere chemical analysis. They pose fundamental questions regarding why life exists on Earth and not on other similar bodies in the solar system. The results suggest that while the building blocks for life were abundant, the specific conditions necessary for life to emerge may have been unique to Earth. This leads to further inquiries into the environmental and chemical factors that distinguish Earth from other bodies like Bennu, providing a framework for understanding the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Scientists now have a richer dataset to explore these questions, paving the way for future astrobiological research. 1. The Miller-Urey Experiment 1953. This groundbreaking experiment conducted by Stanley Miller and Harold Urey aimed to simulate the conditions of early Earth to understand the origin of life. By combining water, methane, ammonia, and hydrogen in a closed system, they introduced electric sparks to mimic lightning. The experiment yielded amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, suggesting that organic compounds could form in prebiotic conditions. This experiment laid the foundation for the field of abiogenesis, supporting the hypothesis that life could arise from simple organic molecules. 2. The discovery of extraterrestrial amino acids in meteorites 1960s to 2000s. During the late 20th century, scientists discovered amino acids in various meteorites, such as the Murchison meteorite that fell in Australia in 1969. These findings indicated that the building blocks of life are not unique to Earth and may be widespread throughout the solar system. The presence of amino acids in meteorites supports the idea that life on Earth could have originated from extraterrestrial sources, further fueling interest in astrobiology and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. 3. The Viking missions. 1976, NASA's Viking 1 and Viking 2 missions to Mars aimed to search for signs of life on the Red Planet. The landers conducted experiments to detect organic compounds in Martian soil and analyze the atmosphere. While the results were inconclusive regarding the existence of life, the Viking missions provided crucial data about Mars' environment and raised questions about the planet's potential to support life. The findings from Viking continue to inform current Mars exploration missions, including the search for past or present life on the planet. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission has significantly advanced our understanding of the origins of life through its analysis of samples collected from the asteroid Bennu. The mission's findings reveal 3 new organic molecules and an array of life-essential compounds that suggest that the building blocks of life were prevalent in the early solar system. As we look to the future, these discoveries pave the way for several significant predictions and implications regarding astrobiology, planetary science, and our understanding of life beyond Earth. Predictions for the future. 1. Increased search for life. The discovery of organic molecules and amino acids in Bennu's samples will likely accelerate astrobiological missions to other celestial bodies, particularly those that may harbor similar conditions. Scientists may target moons like Europa and Enceladus as well as other asteroids to search for organic compounds and potential biosignatures. The results from Bennu suggest that we must expand our search beyond the traditional habitable zones of planets to include bodies previously considered less likely to host life. 2. Redefining the origins of life. The findings from Bennu challenge existing models of how life might originate. The presence of amino acids and nucleobases suggests that the ingredients for life are more ubiquitous in the universe than previously thought. Future research may redefine the timelines and processes that led to life's emergence, potentially leading to new theories about life's genesis on Earth and similar planets. 3. Development of advanced analytical techniques. The meticulous methods developed for analyzing Bennu's samples will likely inspire advancements in laboratory techniques used to study extraterrestrial materials. As methods improve, we can expect more precise and sensitive detection of organic compounds in meteorites and samples from other celestial bodies, increasing our understanding of the building blocks of life in varied environments. 4. Interdisciplinary collaboration. The collaborative nature of the OSIRIS-REx mission exemplifies the need for interdisciplinary approaches in astrobiology. Future missions may increasingly incorporate insights from chemistry, geology, biology, and planetary science to create holistic models of life's potential across the universe. This could lead to more comprehensive frameworks for understanding how life might arise in different environments. 5. Focus on prebiotic chemistry. The discovery of complex organic molecules and minerals indicative of an ancient briny environment on Bennu will likely lead to a surge in research focused on prebiotic chemistry. Scientists will explore how these compounds interacted in asteroidal or planetary environments, potentially leading to new insights into the processes that initiate life. 6. Exploration of exoplanets. The findings from Bennu may bolster the search for life on exoplanets. With a better understanding of the essential ingredients for life, astronomers can refine their criteria for habitability when studying distant worlds. This could lead to the identification of more promising candidates for life, particularly in systems with similar compositions to those found in Bennu. 7. Public engagement and education. As NASA continues to disseminate findings from the OSIRIS-REx mission, public interest in astrobiology and planetary science is expected to grow. This increased engagement could lead to more funding and support for space missions, educational programs, and public outreach initiatives that inspire the next generation of scientists. Implications for understanding life. The implications of the OSIRIS-REx mission extend beyond mere discovery. They challenge our understanding of life's uniqueness on Earth. The presence of organic molecules in Bennu raises critical questions about why life developed on our planet but not on others with similar ingredients. Future research will likely focus on elucidating the distinct conditions that allowed Earth to foster life, including environmental stability. exploring the environmental conditions on early Earth that facilitated the transition from organic molecules to complex life forms. This may involve studying the role of water temperature, pH, and mineral availability in supporting life's emergence. Chemical pathways, investigating the specific chemical pathways that led to the formation of life on Earth compared to other bodies like Bennu, which had similar ingredients but did not evolve life. Astrobiological models, developing improved models that can predict where and how life might arise in the universe based on the findings from Bennu. This could enhance our understanding of life's potential distribution across the galaxy. In conclusion, the remarkable discoveries from NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission mark a significant milestone in our quest to understand the origins of life. As we advance our exploration of the cosmos, these findings will shape future missions' research and our broader understanding of life's potential beyond Earth. The journey of discovery is just beginning, and the implications are as vast as the universe itself.